Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lakisar YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest technology videos. In this video, you will find the best courses after 10th standard. Let us see one by one. IT and computer technology. Yes, you can also do a best course after 10th standard in IT and computer technology. So these are certificate courses. You can get an entry level job with a certificate course. With some experience, you can go for higher courses such as diploma. Certificate in search engine optimization, certificate in social media management, certificate course in search engine marketing, diploma computer technician, diploma in hardware maintenance. The next one is diploma in engineering. You may also consider doing a diploma in engineering from any reputed polytechnic in India. It is also one of the best courses after 10th standard. Diploma in engineering is available in the following streams: mechanical engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, metallurgical engineering. The next one is industrial training institute courses. I rank vocational courses available from industrial training institutes, that means ITA, as the best option after 10th standard. So ITA courses will give you a diploma certificate. So here are the best courses after 10th standard from ITA. First one, medical technician, mechanical draftsman, civil draftsman, chemical plant operator, laboratory technician, quantity surveyor, airline steward, hospitality staff, photography, legal paralegal assistant, automobile mechanical technician, automobile electrical technician, horticulture, body and beauty care, fireman and disaster relief, dental lab technician, denture maker, food technician, agriculture farm management, dairy management, nutrition assistant, banking and confectioning, desktop publishing, corporate housekeeping, fashion designing, event management, facilities management, IT and electronics maintenance, welding technician, air conditioning and refrigeration technician. The next course is medical courses after 10th standard. Understandably, you cannot join a medical school to become a doctor after completing 10th standard. But if you are really interested in making a career in the medical profession, try to some of these best courses available after 10th standard. Diploma in Rural Healthcare, Diploma in Nursing Assistance, Certificate of Nursing Assistance, Pathology Lab Technician, Diploma in Hospital Assistance, Diploma in Paramedic Nursing. The next one is travel and tourism. India's travel industry is booming. According to World Travel Council, the country has one of the fastest growing travel sectors of the world. Therefore, you can try some of the best courses related to travel and tourism after 10th standard. Those are Diploma in Food Beverage Management, Diploma in Food Beverage Production, Diploma in Hospitality Management, Diploma in Restaurant and Hotel Management, Diploma in Food Technology, Diploma in Nutrition, Diploma in Catering and Catering Technology, Diploma in Front Office Reception Management, Diploma in Hotel Stores Management. So these are the some of the best courses after 10th standard. So if you like our videos, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest technology videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.